I have an unboxing from Unique Commodities. So let's take a peek. First of all, let me say that when I pulled open the box, there was so much scent coming up at me. I'm excited to see what's in here. This is her card. Very sweet. I love you too, girl. First item that we have is, I can't read that, all over body soap. Excuse my chipped nail polish. Oh, that's where it is. Aloha baby. It's whipped soap. Let me see what that smells like. So it kind of fell in transit. So that sometimes happens to sugar scrubs. But I think that had it come without having fallen, it would have been super cute. Because look, there's like a little soapy in there. Yes, a soapy in there. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. First of all, this smells freaking amazing. Coconut, peach, orange, and pineapple. And then look at that. Oh my gosh. I'm about to rub the rest of it on my skin. I know that it's not it's not lotion, but didn't want to waste it. Oh, I love this. It smells so summery. What's next? All right, we have whipped sugar scrub. Looks like another one that fell in transit. Let's take a peek. This is Dreamcatcher. And there are the scents there. And it honestly smells freaking awesome. Like, it smells, I thought it would, just because when I looked at it without actually opening it up, I thought it would be coconut or whatever. Then I read it, it's not, but it does look kind of coconutty, right? It's raining. All right, let's see the texture on this. Nice. That is the sugar scrub, so I won't scrub that into my skin, but it does smell super amazing. We have a few things left. Let's see what they are. So this is the rest of the stuff that was in the box. We have this cute gummy bear looking guy. It's called, Gummy Bear Bath Bombs. It smells a bit fruity, I think. It's shimmery, by the way. And next, I've been seeing this all over the gram. And she sent it to me. Midnight Moon Bath Bomb. So I will definitely be using this soon. I love the holographic, like, stars on it. And then the last two things that we have were some samples. The Nutty Body Butter kind of melted all up. It smells like almond, I think. And then the Just Breathe soap sample. That thing smells, this smells like eucalyptus type stuff. So again, we had, oh no, don't drop it. The Aloha Baby whipped soap, which will be used tonight. We have the whipped sugar scrub Dreamcatcher. We have the Gummy Bears Bath Bomb. It's like a deep color there. I love deep colors. We have the Midnight Moon Bath Bomb with the hollow stars on it. And then finally we had the two samples. Doesn't look like there's anything in this one because it got so liquidy. Ooh, look at the shipper now! Okay, girl! Anyway, that's it for this unboxing of Unique Commodities. Please remember Inky Mac 10 for a 10% discount on any purchases from Unique Commodities. Inky Mac 10. Bye, guys.